Hi, I'm Kent Iler with Iler Aerial Imaging. I'm also president of AUVSI, and we're here at the 2021 Cleveland Air Show. We are part of the drone demonstration team, and it's been exciting to be a part of this for the last 8 seasons here. One of the things that we do here at the air show is help people that want to learn more about drones. This is a great sport, a great hobby, even a great profession, but it's very important that we make sure that as we're flying the drones, that we keep safety foremost in our mind, because you can cause a lot of damage with these as well. We do a live demonstration every morning of the air show. We have various types of drones that we are able to demonstrate. So in the center stage of the drone demonstration, we had multiple FPV racers. The majority of these are used for drone racing. These drones will go 80 to 100 miles per hour. They use FPV goggles so they can see the point of view straight from the drone. One of the groups that's here in the drone zone tent is the Cleveland Quad Squad, and they've got some of the top drone racers in the world right here in Cleveland, Ohio. This year we had a large drone that's actually an ag sprayer. It's about 6 feet across diameter. We have Scott Malakar, and he does public safety with drones. One of the things that he was demonstrating is taking a life jacket and simulating when you find someone that's in need, he can actually drop that life jacket down to them. So much faster than we could get a Coast Guard or someone in a boat out there to save someone. We can fly a drone to them and drop equipment to there, whether it's a life jacket. We've seen drones been used to help search and rescue, and then find the person and even drop something as simple as a bottle of water because they've been out there for a while and they need the hydration. The other drones we do is more for videography and photography. There's a variety of different types, from a fixed gimbal to cameras that'll rotate 360 degrees. We've got just a slew of drones here at the Drone Zone tent. So we'd love to see you come out. We're here every year, and if you have any questions, come check us out, and we'd love to answer those questions for you.